Hello, everyone, and welcome to MONEYWAY TV, your trusted platform for practical business education and real income opportunities. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. And to all my returning viewers, thank you for your continuous support and for being part of the MONEYWAY community. Now, before we dive in, I want to share something important with you. According to my YouTube analytics, over 80% of the people who watched my video haven't subscribed yet. So if you enjoy learning how to turn small capitals into real profit, please take a quick moment right now to subscribe to the MONEYWAY TV and help me reach our next big goal, 1,000 subscribers, with this very video. Your support truly helps this channel grow and helps me motivated to share more valuable lessons with you. Also, if you are serious about mastering soap production or starting your own cosmetic brand, I strongly encourage you to enroll in my online training program. Inside the course, I will guide you step by step through formulations, packaging, costing, and marketing. Everything you need to build a successful business. Now, in today's video, I will be showing you exactly how to make 70,000 from just 13,000 by producing medicated soap using my tested MONEYWAY recipe. This particular video is a scale down of a previous video that I've made earlier. It's simple, effective, and can be done right from home. Make sure to like this video, share it, and drop your comment or questions below. I'll be glad to respond and guide you personally. Alright, let's get started and let me show you how to turn 30,000 into 70. So, like I've listed earlier on this video, I'll be using calcium, I'll be using soda ash, caustic, palm kernel oil, green color, ISA booster, phenol, sulfate. So first I will turn my palm kernel oil into the mixing bowl or bucket as you may have it. Then I will add my color. The reason why I'm adding my color at this initial time is to have an evenly blended color in my final product. Okay, so I'll be using a total of 7.5 liters of water for these 3.1 liters of PKO. You can imagine how much water I'm using. So big, right? So I will share my water into 2 equal parts and add my additives, that is the soda ash, the sulfate, and the calcium into 1 part of the water. That is what you see me doing here. And I'll be adding the remaining into the remaining part of the water, my caustic soda. You will have to mix vigorously, stir very well so that everything will dissolve evenly. As you can see on the screen, that is what I'm doing. So this is my caustic solution. I'm also stirring it very well to make sure that everything dissolves perfectly. Be careful while handling your caustic so that it will not splash on you. So this is my palm kernel oil that I've already mixed with color. So I will now be adding the caustic solution into it. If you observe, I will stir very well and it will be forming a trace before I will now add the additive solution. That is the solution containing the sulfate, the calcium, and the soda ash. Here I'm now adding the additive. You shake very well so that you don't have any residue settling at the bottom of the bucket. You add everything very well and you now stir vigorously. Stir very well and you leave it to trace for the next 30 minutes. This is after the 30 minutes you come back to stir. So please remember that I have edited this video. So if you are not getting it right, if you are still finding it confusing, feel free to enroll for a proper training so that you will get every dime event that happened along the line, which I may have edited for you to get a perfect process. So here I have mixed it for the next 30 minutes. Now I'm allowing it. This is the second 30 minutes now. So I will now turn it very well, stir it very well. After this stage, stir very well. So after this stage, I will be introducing my heat. Okay? I will be introducing my heat. So now I'm heating it up to give it a final blend. As you can see, it is thick and it's clear. It has formed a soap batter. This is very easy. A lot of people that have been doing it are getting it right. I'm adding my phenol and my Isal booster to make it medicated in such a way it will be able to kill anything, rashes on the skin, pimple, eczema, ringworm, stretch mark, anything rashes on the body. It clears it off. You stir very well. A lot of people, like I said, have tried this formulation, but some people are finding it difficult to break down, to scale it down. I did this video when I used 12.5 liters of PKO, but now I'm using 3.125 just to make it simpler for people to be able to try to do it in the smaller scale, because a lot of people are having problem with the measurements or whatever. So here it is that I've done it again and it's still working. So after stirring, I'll bring it down and I will pour into my mold and allow it to set. If you want to watch the cutting of this into this bar when it have hardened, you can watch my other videos where I have shown you how to cut soaps into smaller bars like this. And that brings us to the end of today's session on how to make approximately 70,000 from 13,000 using my special Moneyway medicated soap recipe. I hope this tutorial has inspired you to take action. Remember, learning is good, but doing is what produces results. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and help us reach our 1000 subscriber milestone with this video. Like I said, over 80% of our viewers still watch without subscribing, and your one click can make a huge difference. And if you truly want to take your learning further, join my online training program where I will walk you through everything from formulation to packaging and marketing, so you can start producing like a professional and earning consistently. Don't forget to like, share, and leave your comments or suggestions below. I always enjoy hearing from you and will personally respond when needed. Until next time, keep learning, keep producing, and keep growing, because the money way is the smart way to success.